Hi everyone, welcome to Mike and Lera food channel. Hope guys you're having a nice day. I will cook today very healthy and tasty steamed cutlets. This dish is suitable for those who are on a diet. These cutlets contain half calories of the same dish in a fried version. And before we start, I want to remind you as usual that ingredients you will find in the description below. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you in advance. Let's begin. Cut the chicken into pieces and grind in a blender. Add garlic. Blend all together and put it in separate plate. And don't forget to subscribe. Put the bread in cold water for 5 minutes. Blend onion and carrot together. Add carrot and onion in a plate with minced meat. Salt, pepper. Mix well. Squeeze bread out of water and add to our bowl. Mix it well again. Add 1 egg. Mix it 1-2 minutes. And now it's ready, we can start. Boil water. Grease a dish with olive oil. And form cutlets. You can make any shape. I'm making round. And don't forget to like this video. Cover, and after 10 minutes turn cutlets on other side. In general we will need 20 minutes. Decorate with green onion and just look how much they are beautiful. And bon appetit!
What do you want? Help me, because it's too much far. I should take taxi to the
But what do you want?
please give me my plate.
One?
For you. One, of course. The one for you. One.
Enough. Yeah, one. That's it.
It's normal. I think 4 will be enough. Because it's very light. It's not even. That's okay.
Nice. Looks. No? I don't think just this.
Okay. I know that you're able to eat this all anyway. Even me.
Don't believe it.
I ate, how many yesterday?
How many?
Things that I didn't shoot.
So you had the whole thing, huh?
Leave it for later. I'll tell you.
It's already finished.
Whew.
Lots of greens, leafy greens.
Instead of carbs. It's much better.
Much better.
No, really, I feel it. It's not a joke. I feel it.
Yeah, of course. We're cutting carbs. Then.
As usual, cheers.
Cheers.
This one small, it was a piece of minced. Look how much nice it looks in my plate. Bon appetit.
I don't know.
Just try
What
till
am I
it's
doing,
till take third one. Eat till it's not cold.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to just enjoy.
It's warm still, you have warm, yes?
Salad, yeah.
No, not salad. Sarcasm.
So this is how it looks from inside.
I want the show. I will not, okay? One is enough.
Very nice, very tasty. It's very soft.
Soft, very soft.
It's
It's
very
not like,
soft.
you know,
It's like
fry for example.
you don't need to chew even, like just a couple of bites. And that's
So
it.
you, broop, broop. One by one.
Like how I do eggs.
And swallow.
So very light.
Very light, and you know, in half an hour you will feel completely empty after
I feel hungry after half an hour.
I will cook again this day. No, but if you will used to it, it will be very nice.
But you will not get full from this. You will still like eat nicely and then you'll be very, very like feeling very light after this.
I like this like colorful, you know, carrot.
The
You can even put next time more carrot, even not one, even two. I think it will be wow, like rainbow.
But it's really like, I don't know how to
It's completely another flavor. when you
Another
cook it
flavor,
in
very
such a
nice.
way.
And moist, it's not like dry or something.
Yes, exactly.
It's nice.
I'm enjoying this. I will eat like this once every day.
It's okay.
Because I'm afraid that you will eat all and I will be. It will be empty.
No. I will eat that. You don't need to do anything. It's a like you just cut, not even cut. You don't need even effort
Yes, just
to
like
cut it. Just
the
like
whole piece. It's very soft.
chicken mousse.
Yes, like always.
Like chicken cake.
Chicken. Chicken pie. Us.
Halas? Are you asking me?
Bye bye.
Alright, see you guys next time. Hope you enjoyed this one. So, now you gonna say something? Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. That's it. See you next
I will
time.
write it down.
I'll write down. Yeah.
I will remind you, don't worry. A few times.
Bye bye.